Okay, now we have another interface. The working is perfect now. You can see here. And we have a share instance to save our cost value in here. So in this lecture, I will help you to work with another interface here. First of all, we don't need to check again. So we can run again to check our share instance is 0 now. Okay. In here, first of all, when this to 0, so all of this element will set this to 0. Okay. I will check it on the interface. Here is 0 and value is 0. Same here. Value is 0. Okay. So when the user press this slider and first of all we want to change the label. Okay, now come back to the setting code. It's similar like we setting the percent value at the first interface. This is 100 sliders press. Okay, we can copy it in here if we want. Here, setting code label. Here, but it's not VAT label, it's 1x100 label, and it's same for here, same for here, but it changes to 10 and 1. So let's check. Oh, it's not percent. We have to change this to US dollar and put this to the first. Now check again. Okay. So when we want to check it, set it, and we come back in here, we want this come to the value which we want. For example, if we set it to 2, 3, 3, so we have to 233 in here when we come back. But now it's 5 because we already set in here. Okay, so we have to first of all to check. Okay, we have a value. As you can see here. Oh, you can see here. So when we press here, we have one value 100. Okay, so if we press plus in here and we have 100. So I think we have a 3 variable to keep the data of each slider, and after that we can plus 100 and multiple 100 and plus for 10 in here and 1 for in here. So I think I will make a new var x value is to 0 and var x10 value is to 0 and var x1 value is to 0. Okay, so in here, before we setting the x100 label, we can x100 value is equal to in a value. Okay, here is 1. So after we finish this, we can set our share instance. We can set by copy this here. And in here we can set it to x100 value plus 100. This go to 10 value plus to 10 and x1 values minus to 1. Okay, now we have a singleton value. Oh, I forgot, I have to keep it to capital for same, and here is for same. Okay, or you can make a function for this because we can use it a lot of. Okay, we can make a function cost calculate. So we can copy it in here and put it here, and now we can use cost calculate, and here we can code calculate, and here we can code calculate. Okay, now run. Zero. Now for example, I will set it to 330. Okay. Set it to 2305. It's okay. Okay, but now we can set up this code, but we have a problem in here. For example, when we set it to 305 and come here, we want our label and our slider is 305. You understand? Okay, so we will set this view depend on share instance, and we can make it on native in here. So how we can get this value? How we can get? For example, when we have a 305, so the x100 value is 3. Okay. Okay, we can put it x100 value is equal to singleton dot sentence dot number, and we divide to 100. Okay, you can print out to check. First of all, our 100 value is 0 because we already have 0. Okay, now we set to 352. Okay, 352. So x100 value is now 3. Yeah, x100 value is 3. We can set the label in here. So x100 label dot set text is equal to bestseller, and the price is x100 value. And next, and for example, if you had 352 in here, and the next is number 5 in here, how can we get number 5 in here? So first of all, we have to take the percent of this. Instead of we divide, we have to use a percent. For example, if we have 35, and we instead of we, for example, if we have 105 and we divide to 100, so we have the result is 1, but if we use the percent, we will have a result is 5. Okay, you understand? So first of all, I will check here x10 value equal to, we will take the here 100, instead of we divide to 100, we take the percent. First of all, if we have a 352, so when we percent 100, we will get 52. Okay, after 52, we have to divide to 10 to get a 5. Okay, so x10 label static equal to US dollar as x10 value. Okay, as the last one, we will get zip. Okay, but instead of divide to 10, we have the percent 10. Okay, now we will set the label. Besides of setting the label text, we have to setting the value of the slider. Okay, so the value is same with the value of x100 in here, so I can set in here x100 slider dot set value, and we can set it to the, you can see here our value here is in, x100 value is in, so we have to convert it to float easily by float and x100 value. Okay, similar for another slider, and here we change to 10 slider, 10 value, 1 slider, 1 value. Okay, now see what happened. Okay, now it's okay. Now I set it to okay 324, and here 324. Okay, now push again 324. Oh, this is not 4, so we have to check it here. Not 4, and we have to print out the, oh sorry, in here we have to 10, we have to change it to 1. Okay, 536. Okay, 536, 532. Okay, now we have on the application in here. It's okay. In the lecture, I will help you to make a finished application.